Enviromena is the leading transformative energy company in the Middle East and North Africa, with one of the broadest footprints of clean energy projects, spanning 9 countries in the MENA region. The company has installed more than 17,000 solar systems and has the largest portfolio of solar rooftops in the GCC. The company has over 175 megawatts of solar power plants under operation and a further 500 megawatts under construction. Today, Enviromena is at the forefront of technological advancements by adopting larger-scale energy storage technology. These technologies will revolutionize the delivery of electricity worldwide, solving dispatch, intermittency and grid stability issues. Major projects. The Mazda 10 MW solar power plant is the largest grid-connected photovoltaic solar plant in the Middle East and North Africa and was the first project to be designed and installed by Enviromena Power Systems. The project was commissioned in June 2009 and was the first utility-scale solar plant to be connected to the Abu Dhabi municipal grid, which is run by the Abu Dhabi Distribution Company. Enviromena also holds the operations and maintenance contract for this project. In 2013, Enviromena completed a Mazda-financed 15 MWp PV power plant in Mauritania, which, at the time of its inauguration, was Africa's largest photovoltaic power plant. The $32 million project, which is the first utility-scale installation in the country, will provide up to 10% of Mauritania's power, and offset approximately 22,880 tons of carbon emissions per year. The 11 MWp Mazda PV solar power plant in Gotha, Germany incorporates innovative driven post and screw post solar racking solutions. The 288,000 square meter PV plant became operational in 2012 and produces approximately 11,000 megawatt-hours of energy per year. The plant is connected to the local municipal grid, and offsets approximately 15,750 tons of carbon emissions yearly. The PV diesel hybrid system is the UAE's first solar diesel hybrid not requiring batteries. It provides round-the-clock electricity to a remote, off-grid residential complex in Abu Dhabi. This system provides 24-hour power solution, with a 2.4 megawatt set of diesel generators, and a 755 kWp solar PV system. A microgrid interconnects the two power sources and delivers power to end users. Because of its proximity to the sea, Enviromena's team of engineers designed a unique corrosion-resistant racking system using glass-reinforced plastics instead of metal. The Al Jaman hybrid plant produces 1,336 megawatt-hours per year, and reduces the island's fuel demand by up to 50%. Most recently, Enviromena developed an innovative solar diesel hybrid power plant in the island of Al Yassaf for the Dubai Electricity and Water Agency, DEWA. The project interconnects the private island's current gensets with an 800 kWp PV system. Enviromena designed plant components with materials that can withstand the remote island's harsh, high salinity environment and ensure a 25-year lifespan. Enviromena customized a microgrid control system to monitor instantaneous load demand and control the diesel generator operation based on the available solar PV power. Other projects completed by Enviromena include a building-integrated photovoltaic rooftop installation on Shams Tower at Yas Marina Circuit and a dual-purpose solar car park shade structure at Mazda City. Enviromena has the largest installed capacity of grid-connected solar photovoltaic projects in the Middle East and North Africa with over 43 MWp across 36 projects in 6 countries, and an additional 28 MWp currently under construction in Egypt, Jordan and Morocco. Management team. Sami Kouraibi is Enviromena's Chief Executive Officer and founding partner. Kouraibi established the company in 2007 on the back of the Mazda initiative, and since then has won numerous accolades including a Young Entrepreneur of the Year at the 2008 Alternative Energy Awards, and in 2009 was named by Arabian Business as one of the top 30 under 30 inches Arab business entrepreneurs. Kouraibi is supported in his role by Sander Trestein, Executive Director, Projects, Eric Voldner, Executive Director, Operations, Fahim Mirza, Executive Director, Finance, Benjamin Regat, Director, Engineering, and Francisco Gallardo, Director, Utility. Investors. Enviromena has attracted a broad base of clean tech venture capital investors such as Good Energies, Zook Ventures, New Energies Invest, Mo's Chasm, and most recently the Mazda Clean Tech Fund. 13. The company completed a Series B round of fundraising in January 2010 wherein Mazda became the company's largest shareholder. Official website. Emirates Solar Industry Association. Mazda